Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we will discuss about combineLatest operator from Rxjs. So let's start. I am Subrat and you are watching Fun of Heuristics. So on this channel, you will get to know about the programming languages, the framework and all about the algorithm. So please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon if you haven't yet. Before starting the video, I just want to request you that 90% of you are watching the video but not subscribing it. So please subscribe, it will motivate me to make videos and deliver to you. So please subscribe, it's a humble request. So let's start the video. First thing first, the combineLatest operator you will going to use when you need value from multiple observable. Now we'll come to the combineLatest operator. Think like you have 3 or 4 observable and you are using with combineLatest operator. And suppose one observable emits some value, then it will going to give you that observable's new value with the all latest value from all other observables. Means suppose your first observable emitted suppose 10, so you are going to get 10 from the your first observable, but you will also going to get the latest means previous emitted value from all other observable, and you can use them to calculate something or to display somewhere, and we're going to see that. And we will going to make kind of a scoreboard for the bowling. Means in cricket we have bowlers, so how many wickets they have taken is not as similar as that, but just a gist of that. So I will going to show you how you can update them and how you can get the total wickets from the bowlers. But before that, I want to show you a simple example so that it will be clear, and when you watch the second one, it will be fun and clear. So please watch till the end of the video. So for a simple example, I am going to create 2 observable for now, ob1. So I'm just giving observable 1 and it will be a timer. So and the first timer is when it will going to start. So I will just say start at 2 seconds and come after every 3-second interval. We'll just take another timer. I'll just give it as a 2, but we'll start this at 5 seconds and come after again 4 seconds. So fine. So we'll now we'll use the combineLatest operator. So combineLatest, and it will take your ob1 and ob2 like the fork join. So I'll just take first one, then ob2. Now you can subscribe to this one directly, and here you can access them. So it will be, you will going to get an array of response how you are getting it here. So we'll just try with like 1 and 2, and I will try to just console log it now. So we'll save this one. Now we'll go to our browser. I'll just bring the browser here, this one a little higher. Now just keep an eye on here. So it will going to start. So 1 is 0 and 0 now, 1 is 1 and 0 now, 1 is 2. Now if you see, it emits the value of the previous one. Now 1 is emitting, but it's remaining the value of the previous one, and that's how it's emitting. So anyhow it's starting from 0, so all the timer will start from 0. So I will just refresh it again. So I will show you in the first case, the first observable will going to emit. So you saw like 1, but it's also emit the previous value. So the first is emitting, but now in this scenario both emit. So 2, it emits the 2 from the previous, but the second one got emit 1. Now that happened like here as well, and again it's emit the value from the 3 and 4, and that's keep on happening. So what is happening here is, if I'll go to the code, 1 is emitting some value, or the observable 2 is emitting some value, it is going to give the latest value to the subscriber. So observable 1 suppose emitted 1 here. So in this case your observable 1 emitted 1, but your observable 2 has the value as 0. So that was the latest, and that what it was emitted previously. So but because timer will emit by default 0, that's what we are getting it here. So this is a simple example. Now we're going to see how we can use your combineLatest operator PT efficiently by making a kind of a scoreboard application. So I'll just comment all these things. So here what we're going to use, we're going to use the subjects to emit the value on a key press. What I'm thinking is we have three bowlers, means our dummy bowlers, and when they're going to take a wicket, we're going to press their respective key and their score will going to increase, and we can display that in our HTML. It obviously is not going to be that fancy and that like UI intuitive, but you will get the concept by doing this. As I told you, we need three observables. So I have created some here. So like bowler 1, bowler 2 and bowler 3, and these are the subjects that we're going to use as a three bowler. You can give your favorite bowler's name, and these 1, 2, 3 I'm just putting the store their values, and total is the total how many wickets they have taken throughout the match, mean not individually, total wicket as a team. So that we're going to use here, and we need an event listener to get our key pressed. And think like we're going to press a key whenever they will going to take a wicket. So I'll just create a add event listener, and this event listener will be on the key down. Okay, so key down or key press, or you can do any. I'm just getting at key down, and here I'm just going with ABC. So for now your key is A, B or C. So A is for the bowler 1, B is for bowler 2 and C is for bowler 3. So I will just go here like event dot key code equal to 65. So 65 is for A. That you can check here by you just console log the value here and press some key, and that you will going to get which is the key press value. And here we're going to emit this dot bowler 1 subject dot next. Okay, so here what we are saying is bowler 1 just took a wicket, and that this observable we are going to use inside our combineLatest operator. Just copy this thing here, and now we're going to use 66 for B and 67 for C. Okay, so whenever we press that key, we're going to emit these values. Now we need a combineLatest observable, obviously. So first I will create that one, combineLatest. So that's to make sure I'll just copy this one. So in the combineLatest, what you have to do, you need to pass these observables one by one so that we can get their score. So I will create a method. I'll just take it one. So that will be get score. Okay, so what it will going to return you is you're going to see. So here we'll pass our subjects. So I'll just writing subject into a type of subject, and it will be a number. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pipe our subject with map2. So if you don't know what is a map2, I have a video on that, and it's pretty simple. You can watch that one. I will link it in the card, but it will for a simple point of view, it will always going to emit 1. That's what the map2 will going to do. Then we need a kind of a reduce functionality which is there in the array, but here you can use the scan. We'll have an accumulator and the current value. What we will send is accumulator plus current. That means we are getting the previous value with the current value and mapping and combining that. And it's same as the reduce in the array. Accumulator plus current, and our initial value will be 0. And we'll say that this thing should start with 0, and we will return this one. Now what we'll do is we will use this scoreboard here. Okay, so we'll just use get score, and we'll pass our observable, means our subjects like 1, 2, 3. You can make this as an array and you can pass. So I'm just using this one for the video sake, but obviously you can make it array. So first we'll see here what is happening, and I'll just print 3. Okay, so first we'll check this is working or not, then we'll going to implement the HTML part. Okay, so here if I'll go to browser and try to refresh the page, now I will press A. Okay, so I'll click here, I'll press A. Now in the A, which is the of 1, so A is the 1, so as 1 subject, 2 subject, and 3, A is 1, B is 2, and C is 3. So I'll press A again, so you can see we are getting A as updated value, but B and C are not. Now I press B, you will get updated value of A and B but not C. Now I press C, now you get, or like I press, keep on pressing C, so you are getting A, so it's like same. Okay, so B, C, A, that's what you can play with, so it will be cool. Now we're going to implement your scoreboard here. What I'm trying to say is 1 plus 2 plus 3. So this will going to give you the combination of all. Okay, it's refreshed. Now if I press okay, not here, if I press A, you will get like this is the last one is your total. Now if you press B, you see your first bowler take 1 wicket, second bowler take 1 wicket, but third haven't take 1, so the total wicket is 2. Now the first bowler take 1 again, the total score is 3. Now if your third bowler take 1, the total score is 4, and that's what you can use it. Now we're going to implement that in the HTML. So instead of console logging it here, so here just this dot 1 equals to our 1. Okay, so what I did, I just did the same. I just assigned those value to the respective elements, and I have assigned the total value to total. Now we can go to the HTML. So here we can add so here what I'm just doing is rendering that 1, 2, 3 value, what we are getting it from here, and the total. So I'll just save this one. Now we'll go to the browser. So here you can see when I will press A, you can see bowler 1 took 1 wicket and the total team is 1. Now I'll set B. Okay, bowler 2 took 1 second wicket. Now the second over come by the bowler 1, he just take a hat trick, so 3 wickets. Now it's yay, 3 wickets. So now the bowler 2 came and took 1. Now the bowler 3 just hit the record, like took 4 wickets. Now they have only 1 wicket left and the opposite team lost. So that's how, it's just a funny thing I'm saying, but yeah, this is how you can make use of combineLatest, and that will be pretty helpful. So this kind of application you can make, and obviously you can make multiple kind of application. So today we saw what is our combineLatest and how to use that, and how you're gonna make kind of a scoreboard thing so that you can get every data from every other observable with the previous latest value and the updated value which our observable is emitting. So please hit the like button if you are liking the video till now, and please do subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will not going to miss the videos. And please share this video among your friends, family, colleague, so that they can enjoy and they can make some cool application by using combineLatest. And please give some valuable comment in the comment section below, and watch this video if you want to learn something about programming or web development. And we're going to meet in the next video. Till that, stay happy. Bye bye.